The letter D makes a D sound. D. When you make this sound, the tip of your tongue touches the top of your mouth, a little bit behind your teeth. D. D. Stop the air. Then release the air. It's like a small explosion of air. D. D. Dog. Door. Doctor. Here's a fun tongue twister to help you practice the D sound. Repeat after me. Daring. Dogs. Dash. Down. Dusty. Dirt roads. I'm going to say it again, but this time I'm going to say it a little bit faster. Daring, dogs, dash, down, dusty, dirt roads. I'm going to say it one more time, but this time I'm going to say it really fast. Daring dogs dash down dusty dirt roads. Can you say it 3 times fast? Do you like dogs? Do you have a dog? I love dogs, but I don't have a dog. I want a dog. Here are some common expressions you can use to practice the D sound. Ding dong dash. Ding dong is a way to describe the sound of a doorbell. Dash means to run away. Ding dong dash is the name of a prank. Children ring someone's doorbell and then they run away. The person opens the door and there's nobody there. It's not good. People get angry. Sometimes people install cameras outside their home to catch these pranksters. Down in the dumps. If you're down in the dumps, you're feeling really depressed. You're feeling really sad. You're down in the dumps. Dime a dozen. If something is a dime a dozen, it's not special because there's so many of them. They're everywhere. They're a dime a dozen. They're not valuable. They're not unique. For example, paper clips. Paper clips are a dime a dozen. Paper clips are everywhere. Now, people can also be a dime a dozen. For example, negative people, mean people, people that complain all the time. Negative people are a dime a dozen. They're everywhere. Now, in addition to the D sound, the letter D can make other sounds. For example, the letter D can make a J sound. J. The J sound is very similar to the Ch sound that we practiced in the last video. The difference is with the J sound, you add your voice. Your voice. j, ch, ch. No voice. Ch. The D usually makes a j sound when it's followed by the letter U. Education, graduate, schedule, soldier. Wait a minute, that one is a little different. The D isn't followed by a U. The letter D can also make a T sound. T. The T is very similar to the D sound that we're practicing in this video. The difference is, with the D sound, you add your voice. Your voice. D, D, T, T. No voice. T, T. The D usually makes a T sound with past tense verbs. Jumped, jumped. It's not jumped, 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 jumped. Jumped is the past tense of jump. Hiked, hiked. Hiked is the past tense of hike. Helped, helped. Helped is the past tense of help. Now sometimes the D can be silent. Shh. It doesn't make a sound. It's silent. Wednesday, Wednesday. There's two D's in Wednesday. The first D is silent. It doesn't make a sound. Wednesday. Handsome, handsome. Now sometimes we replace the letter D with a glottal stop. What's a glottal stop? We're going to talk about glottal stops in the next video.